During my time at Oakland University, the individual who had the biggest impact on me was Frank Cardeman. I took a strategic management class that was an amazing class. I learned so much about organizational culture, financial statements, strategic planning. The culmination of the class, we were put into groups and asked to do an evaluation of an entity with a real world problem. I was assigned Anheuser-Busch. We received the financial statements, the organizational culture, and about 2 inches of paperwork. We even did a site visit. So together with my team members, we analyzed all of the data that was presented and came up with 4 different paths that they could potentially take to solve their marketing and distribution problem. And our presentation was very well received. Anheuser-Busch management team actually put into action all of our recommendations. And it was just such a supreme example of a very capable and competent professor sharing what he knows in a business environment that's real life. So the thing that I like most about Frank Cardeman, not only is he a gentleman and an amazing professor, but he makes learning fun. I have a whole host of positive memories from my experiences at OU. By far, one of the best decisions I made was joining Alpha Kappa Psi professional business fraternity. There are several of them here today, and Alpha Kappa Psi through Oakland University gave me such a wonderful opportunity to network, to make lifelong friendships, and to really perfect my business expertise and assure that I'm always dealing ethically in business. First of all, I'd like to thank the Oakland University Alumni Association for bestowing this prestigious Odyssey Award upon me. I'm very honored. I'd like to thank my parents, my fabulous husband, and my kids for being here and for everything that you do for me every day. I'd like to thank Frank Cardeman because he made such a positive impact in my personal and professional life. I'd like to thank some business associates and friends whom I sit on local boards with. Ed on the Oakland University Economics Board of Advisors, Stephanie, Junior Achievement of Southeastern Michigan, and both Olivia and Jeanette on the Troy Community Foundation. Thank you for nominating me, and thank you so much for being here tonight. And lastly, I'd like to thank Kendra and Aaron. Aaron is everything all Grizzly all the time, and the Newton family, my extended family, for being here tonight and supporting me in everything that I do. Thank you for helping me develop and continue to facilitate a lifelong love of learning. And thank you for helping me strive for virtue and knowledge. Keep smiling.